NOCO Boost Plus GB40 1000 amp 12-volt UltraSafe portable lithium car battery jump starter pack for up to 6-liter gasoline and 3-liter diesel engines. Start dead batteries. Safely jump-start a dead battery in seconds with this compact, yet powerful, 1000 amp portable lithium car battery jump starter pack. Up to 20 jump starts on a single charge and rated for gasoline engines up to 6 liters and diesel engines up to 3 liters. UltraSafe, safe and easy to use car battery jump starter pack without the worry of incorrect connections or sparks. Safely connect to any 12-volt automotive car battery with our mistake-proof design featuring spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection. Multifunction, it's a car jump starter, portable power bank, and LED flashlight. Recharge smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices. It's easily rechargeable from any powered USB port in 3 hours at 2.1 amps. Plus, an integrated 100-lumen LED flashlight with 7 light modes, including emergency strobe and SOS. Advanced design, our most advanced portable car battery jump starter ever. Featuring high-discharge lithium technology for safe operation in any climate. A rugged and water-resistant enclosure rated at IP65. A rubberized over-molded casing to prevent scratching or marring of surfaces. And an ultra-compact and lightweight design weighing just 2.4 pounds. In the box, GB40 UltraSafe portable lithium car battery jump starter pack, heavy-duty battery clamps, 12-volt car charger, micro USB charging cable, microfiber storage bag, user guide, 1-year warranty, and designed in the USA. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.